it's me, Daisy, so we're just getting out.
So what ones have we got?
We've got sparklers, one of these, fountains.
We've got a few fountains. So I'm going to go outside. So
Safety.
Emma! Oh, no. My shoelaces. Be careful, my shoelaces, they're a bit undone. Fireworks going on everywhere. Look outside Horslade.
Right. You show you a bit then.
So sorry if it's a bit dark and you can't see much,
Be careful, Ted.
but you will do in a second. So it's a beautiful night.
Light stars, it wouldn't it? But we'll see more when we go to bed, won't we?
So my dad's he's putting them in the ground, and can you see that big long stick? What's that? Oh. No, I can't see. We can't really see it. If you look at the sky, like, it's a bit browny. Why is it a bit brown?
It's the clouds, my darling.
Right, so my dad's gonna light them any minute now.
It's hard when the grass is so damp, isn't it?
So, can you see that little orange light?
Yeah.
Right, ready?
Yeah.
It's fizzing at the moment. Oh my god. Jeepers
I
creepers.
didn't know I was going to do that. Not best.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Do you want this one I got in my pocket?
Why don't we do a sparkler?
Can do. Hang on.
Let's have the bangers done so it's not too spaced out with mine for little Daisy. I don't think she's bothered by it.
She's bothered herself. Make a run.
No, be careful.
What's it gonna do? Not doing anything. I think it blew out.
Could have done.
Poor Daisy, she's scared. That's our neighbour's dog as well. That's it, it's done. Right, Dad. Look.
Wow.
Oh, look, the colours look.
That one's better than the first.
Traffic light.
There we go.
Good.
Right, now what about the other one?
That's the two
That's
little
it.
ones. Now we've got the two rockets going
Go on
on.
then.
Yay!
Should we have them at the same time?
No,
No?
I don't know. Yeah.
Hang on, I need the plastic insertion tube.
What's that?
The sticks go up in the end, don't they?
Is it inside?
Yeah, so this one's going to get it.
So can I borrow a torch a minute? Just because I'm going to go and show them. Don't try not to step on anything if you have a look. That's what we have for our rocket. Have a look. And then we have a washing line to help us make a hole. And we have a little rocket down there. Not sure if you can see, but I'm making it like this. Can you see that sparkling? That's the light trying to come out. So,
Try and torch on these so I can see.
huh?
Try and torch on them, I've got to see how you light them. How do you light them?
Don't know.
I don't know.
So we're gonna go inside just to see how to do it. So we still have our other.
Yeah, it's on the back.
Don't let the cat get
Yeah,
out.
but how do you...
Right, can we go in, please?
Well,
What do you like to do some other?
well,
Don't let the ironing board fall. There's no in there.
for these avoid overhead obstruction circulation tube with soft ground offer.
We got that support, haven't they?
No.
Hmm.
Remove orange fuse cover, standard sideways light. Okay, so there's the orange.
Get the board. So if you see our box, this is all the ones that's in there. Look at my lace, it's clearly undone. Pardon?
Do you want me tonight or not?
Let's do it. I'll get the phone. We just want the phone. Let's have a look. Hello? No, it's her daughter. Yeah, I'll just pass it to her. I've read it.
Hello. Hi there.
So we have this. So what's this?
I reckon that first one was wrong.
Yesterday we came over specially and I picked up both the top and one onesie.
So yeah. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.